Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about Amazon CloudWatch. Now Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring service provided by Amazon. You can monitor your current resources running in specific region, for example your EC2 instances, your EBS volumes, your load balancers, etc. Now when you configure your CloudWatch, you create a couple of alarms. One alarm for each service that you want to monitor, and that service will be monitored by CloudWatch as per the specifications that you provide at the time you create an alarm. And in case your alarm got triggered, you'll get a notification, an alert email or an SMS. Now that is something we can achieve using Amazon simple notification services. So this is the best scenario to see how multiple Amazon Web Services can integrate with each other and provide you the best solution that you're looking for. Now this is the dashboard of your CloudWatch. Now as you can see, I don't have any alarm creator. Let's start by creating an alarm. Now as you can see, these are the metrics that are available to you to create an alarm. So this is the EBS volume, and here is your auto scaling group. Here is your EC2 instance metric. So all the services which are currently running in your region, in your particular region, all those services will be available for monitoring. Now as you can see at the top here is the stats that you need. If you need average stat, minimum stat, maximum stat, sum or samples, it's up to you. So let's say I want an average for 5 minutes for a particular metric, and the metric I select is going to be CPU utilization. Here I'll say CPU alarm for high CPU utilization. Now here is the definition of your alarm. This alarm will enter the alarm state when CPU utilization is greater than equals to, let's say, 80% and for 15 minutes. If the CPU utilization of your instance goes above 80% and it stays there for 15 minutes, then this alarm will be triggered. And if that alarm triggers, what happens? If you want to receive an email alert, then you have to use Amazon simple notification service here. So we can simply create a new email topic. The topic name is my CPU alert, whatever you name it, and here is going to be the email IDs that you want to specify, and all these email IDs will receive the alarm that will be triggered, and continue. Now this is the summary. Create an alarm. Now it will automatically create SNS topic, and the email will be sent to you for the confirmation of the subscription. So right now it has insufficient data. Now as the time passes on, and if your CPU utilization of your instance goes above 80% and it stays there for 15 minutes, you'll get an email alert, and that alert email says that, okay, this instance is running with high CPU utilization. So on this left side you can see the metrics. All these services are supported by CloudWatch. You can take advantage of this service to monitor your NoSQL DB, monitor your EBS volume, to monitor your EC2 instances, your load balancer, your RDS databases, Route 53, your DNS system, and so on. So this is how you can create an alarm, provide some metrics, and provide the threshold, and then you can configure your simple notification services so that you can get an email alert. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain about Amazon notification services, which is called Amazon SNS, which stands for Simple Notification Service. It is really very helpful to send out the notifications on several events. For example, if you are monitoring your servers and let's say CPU utilization of your server is 85% and let's say for more than 5 minutes it stays there, and then you want a notification. So that is where these kind of services comes into the picture. So when you open this Amazon SNS dashboard, so this is how it looks like. What you have to do is you have to first create a topic and then you have to assign the subscribers for that. But before I tell you how to create the topic and how to assign the subscribers, I just want to give you the idea what is a topic in messaging system in general. I'm not talking about Amazon SNS, but in general what is topic or what is a messaging system. Now every messaging system has two components. One is called topic and the other one is called queue. If you have heard about IBM MQ series, so that is the messaging system which has been used by large enterprises and that also uses queues and topics. Now what's the difference between queue and a topic? Let's say this is a publisher who published the message for queue and for topic. These two are publishers for queue and topic respectively. When this publisher published the message for topic, it puts a message in the topic, and at the receiving end there could be multiple subscribers here. So there could be multiple subscribers who can subscribe to this topic and receive the message that has been published by the publisher, right? But in case of queue, publisher puts a message in the queue, but at the receiving end there will be only one subscriber, and the message that was generated by or published by this publisher and put that into the queue, that will be received by only one subscriber. So this is the main difference between topic and queue. If you want to send out the bulk notifications, when I say bulk notifications, I mean notifications sent out to multiple users, and we always use topic. And this is the same concept which has been used by Amazon Simple Notification Services. What you have to do first, you have to create a new topic, right? So you have to give the name, let's say my first topic, and display name. This is something you can consider as a sender's name. Notification alert, and create the topic. So once your topic has been created, you have to create the subscription. Means you have to add the users who will receive the message from this particular topic. Now create subscription. Here you can see there are multiple protocols that's been supported by SNS. You can either use your HTTP, HTTPS, email, Amazon SQS also. Amazon SQS is the queuing system. We'll talk about that in the other course, the advanced course. So when you use HTTP or HTTPS, how you can use this? Every service in Amazon is a web service. What you can do, you can give your HTTP URL here, which will actually consume this web service when the notification will be sent, and then receive the notification in the code and then display it wherever you want to display, or use the way you want to use it. Or the best way is to use the email. Here you have to specify the email address and subscribe to this topic. Now I have just generated one subscription for my first topic, and an email alert has been sent to this user or subscriber so that that user can actually confirm it before the subscription becomes activate. Let's go to my email ID and see what I have got. So this is the alert which I have received in my mailbox. So when I confirm it, my subscription will be activated. Subscription confirmed. Go back here, refresh this thing, and you can see it has been activated. Now it's the time to test it out. Click on publish to topic, subject. This is a test message. Hi there, this is first test notification and published message. And let's check in the email once again. This is a test message, notification alert. There's the sender's name. Hi there, this is first test notification. So this is how you can actually create your topics, create your subscriptions, and test it if it is working or not. Now you can use this service with other monitoring services of Amazon, which we will discuss later on in the next video. So when we discuss about the monitoring services, we also need to send out the notification to the customer in case something goes wrong. So that is where you can use these SNS notification services and send out the notification of the alerts which will be generated by the monitoring services. That's all for the Amazon SNS. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.